In this video, I will show you how to get and watch local channels on your TCL Smart TV. Now, over here, I have the TCL Android TV, but it doesn't really matter the type or size of TCL Smart TV you have, whether you have the TCL Google TV, TCL Roku TV, or even the TCL Android TV, just like this one. By the end of this video, you should be able to watch live channels within your area on your TCL Smart TV. And first things first, it is important to note that for this to work, you have to connect your antenna to your TCL Smart TV. You can go ahead and get an indoor or an outdoor antenna and then just connect it to the antenna port on your TCL Smart TV. In my case, I actually have an outdoor antenna that is actually connected to my TCL Smart TV over here. And once that is done, you want to come back to your TCL Smart TV and then just go ahead and click on the input source icon at the top right corner of your TCL Smart TV. This particular icon should be found at the top of every TCL Smart TV, so you just want to scroll over to the top and then go ahead and click on this input source icon over here, just like so, and then select TV. Now at this point, you just want to go ahead and press on the OK button on your remote control and then click on OK. Now you want to go ahead and select your region from over here, so you can go ahead and enter your region, and after that you want to also come over to the automatic search, which will enable the TV automatically scan for available local channels, and then go ahead and select the tuner mode to antenna and the channel type to digital. Now come over here and click on search. Now as you can see, my TCL Smart TV is able to scan and find just one channel, as you can see over here. And basically, here are some things you want to note while scanning. First and foremost, the number of channels that your TCL Smart TV is going to find at the end of the day actually depends on the type of antenna you're using. If you're using an analog antenna just like this one I am using on this particular TV, then you want to make sure that you keep it in a place where it can properly scan and search for available channels for your TCL Smart TV. Also, if after scanning your TCL Smart TV is unable to find any channel, you want to come over to the automatic search over here, then go ahead and change your channel type from digital to analog. And then you also want to make sure that if you're using a cable tuner, then make sure that it is actually set to cable and not antenna. In my case, it has to be antenna. The channel type has to be analog. So once your setting is like this, you can go ahead and make sure that your antenna is actually in a place where it can find and search for available channels for you. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.